We're here at A&M, and the mighty 6.9 is being reassembled. You can see the side trim is coming back on a piece at a time, and the bumpers are back on in the rear. The front is waiting for the grille and bumper to be put back on, and some more paint work to be done on the front apron. See if I can get a shot of that. But this is the first time I think we've taken a look at the 6.9 engine. It's the largest engine Mercedes ever made in a car. 6.9 liter V8, or about 416 cubic inches. And some unique features of this. It's got a 10-quart oil sump, dry sump, so that the engine can sit down without having oil pan clearance issues. And single overhead cam design, very, very reliable and easy to service. We'll walk around here. The Astral Silver paint looks beautiful. It's very, very high gloss, and probably a lot better than it came out of Stuttgart 40 years ago. For those of you who know these cars, these are not the correct wheels. These are the wheels we just roll it around on. And the correct wheels will be the bunt wheels, and in 15 inches, and those will be mounted with new Michelin tires and put on the car before it's finished. From here, the car will go to Precision Auto, and the reason for that is this car has a blue velour interior, which is in not bad condition, but is not to my taste. And it's straightforward enough to put a leather interior in, and enough repairs were needed to this to make it an easy decision to change it out to full leather. All the wood will be removed and sent to Madeira Concepts for refinishing, and we will continue on. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Maybe a few more of these before the car goes over to New Jersey, and then we'll focus on the interior. Thanks and take care.